La figata è proprio questa che...
Welcome to this vlog, guys. So today I'm out. I'm coming from my dealership because I went to ask for some information. As you guys might know from the latest videos, I have installed some new brake calipers. I did the Silema, the black and red one. Aesthetically very pleasing to see, nice to watch and stuff. But still, the braking performance is not at its highest. So I still need to do something with the brakes, especially the master cylinder up here. And I was looking online info about the RCS Corsa Corta 19, and I've came across two videos of guys on YouTube who did this installation, and I was quite shocked and disappointed because I find out that in order for me to be able to put the RCS 19 Corsa Corta on, I need to get rid of this block here, which contain the start and the quick switch, the DRL lights and the hazards, and switch it to jet prime. And it's something that I don't want to do, not because of a money question, but mainly because of an aesthetic point of view. Because I want to have a symmetry up here. So left should be the same as the right should be the same as the left. So that I decided, instead of going with the RCS Corsa Corta 19 only, let's do also a Brembo RCS clutch master cylinder, what's the name again, to have it same, to have a symmetry. But all this fell apart because of the fact that I need to change the switches. And if I do it, it will fix my problem, but then I will have another problem. Because what's the name again of these? The clamps, the bars, where the things is, will be empty because the jet prime is smaller. And also this side is very wide, let alone making it smaller, and then I will have like a lot of space. And I will not like the look of it. So for now, I think I will not go with the RCS Corsa Corta 19. I think I will do like a pads upgrade because I have stock pads on this one. Therefore, I will do the pads upgrade, and I might go with some Z04 or ZC00. They say those are like the top two pads for the Stilemas or the braking system. I will see which one suits my riding style and my needs better, and I will go ahead and get that one. And that's it. I'm a little bit disappointed, but in one way I'm happy because I'm saving a lot of money, because I could have just gone ahead, purchased the RCS Corsa Corta without getting any information, and then finding out I have to return the stuff if possible, or just go ahead, do the modification I'm not willing to do. Get the jet prime stuff and yada yada yada. We see, man. We'll see. Also, I'm out testing a new camera and microphone setup, because as you might know, I've been using GoPro and Insta360 for a while, and I'm tired of the Insta360, the GoPro failing on me, you know, and dying sometimes, or not recording, or having issues with the audio. So I decided to go with the latest technology in terms of motovlogging today, which is the DJI products. The DJI Action 4 is the top of the line action cam for DJI, and the DJI MiG 2 is the top of the line DJI wireless microphone. which is in my helmet, which is inside this Corsa, AGV Corsa helmet. And the DJI is filming me right now. And it's connected wirelessly. The audio should be nice and clean. I don't know if it's speaking or not. This is the first time I tried on. So I'm on my way, I'm doing some tests. So bear in mind if there is like issues and stuff. Just understand me. I hope it comes good, the video, the audio decent, not clipping and stuff. At least that I can use it in one way. Let's stop a little bit and admire the bike, see the results. Oh, and there we have it. I like this setup because I can get the GoPro off my helmet, on the bike, wherever I want to, without having any issues, and still have the audio, which should be clean and neat. Let me open the visor and see. So the settings, the DJI is standard stock completely. Let me turn this off. Oh, by the way, the exhaust, I ordered an Akrapovic exhaust just to sleep on because the full system was not necessary. Like on my previous bike, I ordered it, and I can't wait to have it. I have to wait one more month, June. It will be installed in a month because I'm getting a good deal, so that's why. And yeah, this is the latest upgrade. I will do a review, pros and cons of having this. It's very nice, man. It's very pleasing to watch. But like I was saying during the video on my way here, this RCS, this thing is impossible to replace with an RCS without changing this, and I don't want to do that because I want to have a symmetry and stuff. And it's not about money stuff, question of money, but aesthetics. So that's the reason why. So soon I will do like a video review of a 1 year ownership of this bike, because I went to book the annual service, which is due in 12 days, and I have it this coming month, in almost a month, in 29 days. So it sucks because I forget to go to the date they gave me, so I need to wait 29 days to get this service done. But in the meantime, I will do one track day with the used old oil, which has already 1 year and 9,000 kilometers. But I should be fine. I will take it easy. And yeah, that's it. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. If you have any question, drop it, and I try to read all comments and reply to everybody. I'm missing a bolt. That's great. Take care, man, and see you next time. Peace.